Hi, I'm Dave Tessier from Motor City Chrysler, and I'm here to talk to you about our differential service special this month. Changing the differential oil is just as important as changing your engine oil, and for the same reason. Metal-to-metal contact wears down surfaces and creates heat from friction, which over time weakens the gears and leads to failure. There is a lot of torque going through your axles, and the gears inside are under a lot of pressure. In order to last, they need to be properly lubricated. The differential fluid lubricates the gears, bearings, and other internal parts and provides cooling to these components as well. Like most automotive fluids, differential gear oil eventually loses its ability to do its job properly. Gear oil contains several chemicals and additives that only last so long. Chrysler recommends the differential fluid to be changed every 32,000 kilometers. Call us at 519-256-2688 to book your appointment. For the month of January, we're offering 20% off our already lowered price.